Jeff, you just took a phone call that frustrated you.
Yes, I did, Karen. You only get one chance to make a first impression in life. Whether it's meeting a stranger for the first time, whether you're out on a job interview, whether you're listing your house for sale, you only get one chance to make a first impression with someone or the public. I just took a phone call from a seller. I had met with him. We did the paperwork a couple weeks ago to list the property. And he said, hey, I need a couple weeks to get this place ready to go. Lots of deferred maintenance, lots of unfinished projects, lots of stuff in the yard, vehicles that wouldn't run. It looked like a salvage yard, and he was going to clean this whole property up and get it ready to go. And now he's calling me saying, hey, I want to get it on the market. I want you to go ahead and put up the signs, take the pictures. Let's get going. And the property is still not ready to present to the public in a shape that it would bring top dollar. I've discouraged him from doing this, saying your buyers look for reasons to pay you less money. Buyers look for reasons to offer you a lower price. And you are positioning yourself, setting yourself up for this to happen to you. And he had told me his goal was to get top dollar out of his property. And I said, you'll not achieve top dollar if we move forward and list the property in the condition it's in right now. He had said buyers will understand. They'll look past all the work that needs to be done, deferred maintenance. Just tell them I'm going to do it. Tell them I'm working on it. Tell them I'm going to finish everything and I'll get it all cleaned up. And I said, this is just not how buyers react. Buyers look for reasons to pay you less money. Buyers look for reasons to offer you lower prices. And you're going to be putting yourself in a position this is what's going to happen to you. You're not going to be happy with the results. You're going to find yourself dealing with low offers, and you're not going to understand why. And I said, please don't do this. Get this property ready to sell first, and then let's market it. I told him, I'll do whatever you want to do. I said, it's your property. I mean, I will put up the signs now, take the pictures now. You're going to be very disappointed with the results, and I don't know what he's going to do. That's the frustrating thing. I don't know that he believes what I'm saying is true or not. And so we're going to see what he chooses to do. And I'm saying that if you're a seller listening to this video, get your property ready to sell. Get the work done, get the projects done, get the place cleaned up. Unfinished projects you've got going on there, deferred maintenance, deal with those issues if your goal is to get top dollar out of your property. And so can't encourage a seller to do these items in order to achieve the best results, and you will avoid a lot of disappointment and frustration.